Plugs into the factory stereo when reinstalling the factory stereo. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Antenna adapter. Fits 2002 and up Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep vehicles. Reverse adapter style. Compact design easily fits in tight quarters. Easy to install. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Critical when installing a wired FM modulator. This is the product you need if you want to plug aftermarket products into your factory Chrysler stereo or you want to put a Chrysler stereo in a different vehicle. This is not the product you need if you are installing an aftermarket stereo with a universal Motorola plug into your vehicle. This worked perfectly for adding an aux input to the factory stereo on my 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee through an FM modulator. The Crab antenna adapter, separate purchase, plugs in between the factory antenna and an aftermarket radio or FM modulator, and this CRARB antenna adapter plugs in between the FM modulator and the factory radio. It has been working perfectly for me for several months now.